Utilize the provided window foam seal by peeling off the adhesive backing and carefully installing it around the windowsill. Utilize the provided 4 Type A screws to secure them into the pre-drilled holes. Adjust the window sliding kit to match the window dimensions, and then tighten the screws to lock the kit in place. Place the window sliding kit on the windowsill and securely close the window. Extend the pre-installed exhaust hose. Install the exhaust hose into the window sliding kit. Press the power button on the remote control. Once the unit is connected to the mobile app via Wi-Fi, refer to the manual for further instructions. To turn on the unit, press the power button within the app. Turn off the unit by pressing the power button within the app. Remove the drain cover and insert the drain hose. Remove the air filter and clean it by vacuuming or washing with warm water and detergent. Allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling it.